How to make friends in high school. It can be difficult to make friends in high school. With so many different people all competing for attention, it can feel like you're all alone in a sea of strangers. However, there are a few things you can do to help you make friends and feel more connected to your school. First, try to get involved in as many activities as possible. This will help you meet people with similar interests and give you a chance to bond over something you're passionate about. Additionally, don't be afraid to reach out to people you don't know. A simple hello can go a long way towards making someone feel welcome and appreciated. Finally, remember that everyone is going through the same thing. High school can be tough, but it's important to remember that we're all in this together. Before going into the details, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. High school can be tough. You're trying to find your way and figure out who you are, all while trying to make good grades and get into college. It's easy to feel alone and like you don't fit in. But don't worry, we've all been there. Making friends in high school is actually not that hard, you just have to put yourself out there a little bit. Here are 9 tips on how to make friends in high school. 1. Get involved in extracurricular activities. This is a great way to meet people with similar interests as you. There's bound to be at least one club or sport that you're interested in, so go for it. 2. Sit with someone new at lunch. Everyone has to eat, so why not use this time to get to know someone new? Even if you don't end up becoming best friends, it's still a great opportunity to practice your social skills. 3. Smile and say hello when you see someone in the hallways. It seems like a small thing, but it goes a long way in making someone feel welcome and appreciated. Plus, it might just make their day. 4. Join a study group. Studying with classmates is a great way to bond and also get some extra help if you're struggling in a particular subject. 5. Don't be afraid to be yourself. The people who are worth being friends with will like you for who you are, so there's no need to put on an act. Just relax and be yourself. 6. Volunteer for something together. Nothing brings people closer together than working towards a common goal, so find something that you're both passionate about and volunteer your time. 7. Go to school events together. From sporting events to dances, there's bound to be something that interests you both, or that you can at least tolerate. Going with a friend makes it all the more enjoyable. 8. Ask for help when you need it, and return the favor. We all need help from time to time, whether it's with homework or just getting through a tough day. Asking for help shows humility and also gives you an opportunity to show your appreciation by returning the favor when your friend is in need. 9. Be respectful of everyone, even if you don't agree with them. You don't have to be best friends with everyone, but it's important to be respectful of everyone's opinions and beliefs.